Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this MI vacuum cleaner mini. You can have it in your car and when you need clean any spot on your car. Because it is lightweight and portable, it can go anywhere. Lightweight and compact, powerful suction, easy to empty dirt container, brushless motor, cordless dust removal, high efficiency filtration with a HEPA filter. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it, see how well it can clean. The vacuum cleaner incorporates multi-stage cycloning technology with high suction power and rotation speed of 8,800 RPM. And of course inside we're gonna find out and the manual. If you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. This is one of the most powerful models, so you can collect everything from dust to large particles that go into the device's 100 ml container. It can go with you anywhere. The great advantage of the MI Vacuum Cleaner Mini is its portability, since it is equipped with a large capacity battery which offers an autonomy of about 30 minutes in standard mode. Nice! Definitely it has a great design. It looks great. And it feels great. I like the white color, transparent the container. Type-C connection. On-off button. And more we're gonna find out as we are talking about this product. And let's see what we have at the box. The power adapter, and it is about 5 volt 2 amp 10 watt power consumption. The cable, it is about 80 centimeters, type A to type C. I like type C cables. We have the Gravis nozzle, the brass nozzle, very soft, you can clean any furniture, things that are more sensitive. It is a lightweight, 0.5 kilos, 267 millimeter it is the length by 55 millimeter. The capacity of the battery is 2000 mAh with a rated power 120 watt and the Type-C connection for charging. You can just rotate that unlock. Pull, remove the filter. Again pull, we have this mess around. Stainless steel, and there is the HEPA filter, rubber around here, seal it very well the area from the container to the motor. You don't want any dust to go away from the container at the motor. Rubber, I like that. And again it's very easy, just rotate and it locks. We can see here. Empty the container. You can just slide the switch, pull, will turn on. Around we have this rubber, seal it very well. I like this transparent plastic. When it's not working, it's just closing automatically. And very easy to install again. Rotate and locks. And instantly it stops. Now let's give it a charge for the first time and then I will use it. Type-C connection, the adapter, white LED is flashing, is charging, and let's wait until it's fully charged. Now after 2 hours and 30 minutes it is fully charged, the LED light it is off. Let's unplug that. Now if you want you can connect the Gravis nozzle, it goes here, press, it locks, and you can connect and the brass nozzle. Or if you want, you can connect only the brass nozzle. It is your choice. Perfect. Let's connect the grease nozzle. Standard suction power, the outlet for the air. High suction power and off. Instantly it turns off. Nice, I like it. Well, let's try it, see how much powerful it is, the suction power, how well it can clean. Now, because that it has a small container, don't expect to clean a large area. It is only for a small area cleaning. Standard mode. High suction power. Nice, I like it. It's so strong. And we can see everything at the container. And it doesn't drop anything. Only one, this. Thumbs up, definitely it's doing a great job. And of course you can clean on your couch. When needed, adjust it on turbo mode. And clean on the tight areas with this grease nozzle. And you can use the brass nozzle. Nice, I like it, great result. And of course you can clean any dust from your furniture with a sensitive nozzle brass. Nice, I like it. And of course you can clean the front of your desktop, dust from the fans. Remove this mess and clean it from inside. The keyboard of your laptop. Or the keyboard from your desktop. And after doing all that, well, let's open that and empty the container. Clean the filter, the HEPA filter. Wow, so many stuff. Dust and everything. Thumbs up, I think is doing an amazing job cleaning all my area. It doesn't miss any spot. Well, let's clean the filter. We can see the particles around the HEPA filter. Just blow them with high pressure air and you're good to go. You can even wash it if you want. I have cleaned very well. Filter, everything, the mess. I don't see any dust here at the motor area. We are good. Powerful, portable with brushless motor. Definitely it can clean very well at any spot. Use it to clean your laptop, desktop and keyboard with a brush nozzle. I'm sure you will find the right time and use it. And it costs only 29 euros, the price is very good. Now someone it can say it has a small container, yes, only 100 ml. But for me it's not a problem. I'm not going to clean all my home, there are other vacuum cleaners for that. It has a great design and it looks beautiful. And with that saying guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.